Well, hello, it's Bears back. Yeah, it's what it is. It's package day. This is from our great friend Chaz's lock picking. Um, Chaz seemed to me, I mean, of course, time seems to go different for me when you're old. uh, Chaz just seems like he started yesterday. I mean, it's not, he hasn't been it doesn't seem like a long time. He's been at it several months, I think. I'm not going to swear to that. But he's already up to 155 subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to him yet, you better get over there and get her done. You'll enjoy it. He's doing great in his picking and guttings, and he's doing a great job. So this is a surprise package. I wasn't expecting this at all. And he just threw something together and threw it at me. So I do appreciate it, buddy. I've already kind of cut the end of this open so we could make this a little not as long as I usually do with these openings, but we're going to get this stuff out. Wow, this is packed. And I mean, this is packed, guys. Holy crud. There's like monsters in here. Feels like. Get that out of the way. That's some heavy duty tape, Bubba. I'm telling you. Okay. When I was a kid, I used to love to pop bubbles. But I didn't think, I'm not really sure back then when we was kids we had bubble wrap to pop, so. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. That's an old, okay baby, my puppy's getting in my face. That's an old Lockwood. Wow. That thing is fantastic. Oh. Well, we'll see what we can do with this. Maybe I can, if that key doesn't work, maybe I can impression a key for it. I'll play with it some more. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I've never seen that right there. So yeah, I'll play with that a lot. I'm still working on my impressioning and stuff, so that takes up some time too because I'm not really great at it. I'm trying to learn better, get more of a feel for it. Let's see what we got. Oh wow. Yeah, it says that this is the one. I just got through watching this video. I was playing catch up, watching videos, and I just got through watching this video that he did on this. It was about 5 days ago, I think he gutted this thing for everybody. It's a real cool 4-pin lock, and it's got all the patent numbers and stuff down here. If you want to see this gutted, go over to Chaz's lock picking and watch him gut this thing. This is fantastic, buddy. I really like these old locks. Especially, I love Yales. He knows that. Trying not to cut myself, so especially with my shakes. You know what I mean? Oh, what do we got here? Holy crud. Oh, this is an old 4-way lever lock. My goodness. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Oh wow, that is so cool. I didn't mean lever lock, but it's a 4-way key. That is, wow. See what it says, the 4-way lock company, Cleveland, Ohio. I guess that's Ohio. Should be. Cleveland did. Yeah, I guess. That is very cool. Wow. And it doesn't do that one. Not that. You have to get it in the right way. Not that. Uh-oh. Maybe I did it wrong. Just open. What did I do now? How many times I got to go around? I don't know, guys. I'll figure it out. It was working great just a minute ago. Yeah, I didn't get it locked all the way. I don't know. Woo. I'm going to sit here and play with this silly thing and look stupid. Anyway, I'll get it figured out. Man, I can't make nothing work lately. Wow. And you saw it, though. You saw it open right out of the package. Get my hands on something, and then it just doesn't want to work. Oh, wow. A herd lock. Wow, these are fantastic. Oh, yeah. Ooh, you went all out on this package, buddy. I'll tell you that. Should I touch the key? I don't know. No, I shouldn't have touched the key. It would have probably worked if I hadn't touched the key. I don't know, guys. It's just me today, I guess. I don't know. I can't make nothing work. These are beautiful. I really thank you. They will go in my collection. I guarantee you that. This is fantastic, buddy. Let me know if there's anything you need. Just shout it out to me. Send me an email, and I'll get you covered. So, yeah, that's my package from Chaz Lockpicking. Chaz's Lockpicking. Like I said, get over there and watch his videos and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. How did I mess that up? I don't know. I wanted to do a follow-up on Chaz's lockpicking package. But first, I want to give a shout-out to Ghosted Shadow. He's got 44 subs right now, and he's got great content. He's a heck of a picker. Does some great locks. Go give him, some love and stuff by giving him some subs and watching his videos. You'll like them, I guarantee it. And another one, I know Lockpicking's gal shouted him out earlier. BT Lockpick Learner. He's at 34 subs. You can use some too, guys. If you're subscribed to Lockpicking's gal, you probably subscribe to me. So, but if any of you aren't, go subscribe to both of them. So I'll put links below. And I guess it really helps if you know how to use a key. Yeah, if you can see this, I didn't see it. It says up here, and it says up here on the key, and the key works. It's just the operator malfunction. And on the herd, I forgot. I've watched enough of Chris Capoon's videos to know that these. Would you stop? It's got a heck of a spring on this thing. You gotta really hold it down. That they turn the opposite direction of what you're used to. So, and then yeah, I did give this guy. It does work too. So that's my ad on it. There's nothing wrong with the locks. It's just the operator right here. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.